Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Matthews here from M&L Forex Traders. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Guess what? We provide valuable content right here that you won't find anywhere else. All right. So I'm going to be doing a breakdown of Nasdaq 100. Right now, we're forecasting about 900 pips. So let me just delete everything right now and take you through the process of it, or what I'm seeing and everything else. Right. Awesome. So now that we've deleted everything, let me just take you through my thought process and everything that I'm looking at right now. All right, so I'm on the 4-hour time frame right now, and you can clearly see that we've had a bearish market for a long time now, right? So this is starting in August. We've seen this downtrend, and you can actually extend this to up to this level right here, up to January. Like the whole of this year, we've seen the market actually dropping to the downside. All right, so we want to continue with the major trend. The major trend, you can see that the major trend is actually to the downside. Therefore, we're looking for what? We're looking for selling opportunities. Okay, so this is on the 4-hour time frame. Clearly, on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that we have a rally-based drop, rally-based drop supply zone, right? So what you do is we refine that to the lower time frame. Let's keep dropping to the lower time frame until we have our zone right there. So let's continue to drop. This is the 1-hour time frame. Still, we don't have a clearly defined area. Now we're starting to see something on the 30 minutes time frame. So if you come here, I'm going to get this level right there. So try to extend to the right side. So let's drop further to the 15 minutes time frame. What I'm doing right now, if you're wondering, this is what we call a top-down analysis, a top-down approach, right? So this is what I'm doing right now. So I'm on a 5-minute time frame. I still don't have my level, so we can go ahead and go to the 3 minutes time frame. What I'm looking for is a bearish order block. Okay, I'm looking for a bearish order block. So you can clearly see that we have a bearish order block right there. Let's check on the 1 minute time frame. Let's see what's happening on the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute. Let's see if we have something right there. So you gotta be patient, guys. You gotta be patient. Find the zone. Yeah. So the one on the 15 minutes time frame, on the 3 minutes time frame is the one. So we're going to stick with this right here. Okay. So we have our zone right there. This is a rally-based drop. So we go back to the 30 minutes time frame and look at the market. So this is how it's looking. We've identified our zone, and now we'll go ahead and do the rest of the labeling and everything else. Okay, so we're looking to sell right here. So right here what you have is what a rally based drop. Okay, right here you have nice QML formation, QML low, higher high, and break of structure. Everything very nice. So we go ahead and do our labeling. So this here is our QML. That's our QML, and then that's our higher high right there. And then this right here is our change of character, like that. So why change of character? Because we've seen the market was going up, and now this low was broken right here. And guess what? After that happened, we saw the market creating a new low here. The market created a new low at this level right here. Great. So we have our QML, which is complete. So what are we looking for? We're looking for the approach. How is the market coming back to us? You can clearly see that the market has given us two beautiful reaction from this level right here. So we had this touch here and another touch right there, and we have this touch right there. Okay, nice. Everything is looking clean. Also, what do we call that? That's what we call our our liquidity area. So whenever you see equal highs or equal lows, you're waiting for the market to take that out before you can get involved with the market. That's how we trade the smart money concept. We wait for liquidity. We identify liquidity. Once you've identified the liquidity, you wait for price to take out the liquidity, and then guess what? You execute your edge when you have your confirmation. So that's how it is. So this is a rally based drop supply zone, a very clean setup. Okay, It's a very clean setup, and now we're looking for the market to break this equal highs, so that market can come to this level right here where we have a rapid drop supply zone. Okay, and where is our stop loss? Our stop loss is just going to be slightly above the higher high right there. So slightly above the higher high. It's about yeah, let me just see, something like that. Yeah, that, so about 40 pips, about 40, slightly about 40 pips right there. Stop loss about 40 pips, and our target is this level right here, this lower low which is created right there. So you can clearly see that it's an amazing trade. It's an amazing setup right here that we have. We have a 90 pip target, and our stop loss is about 40 pips. Now the risk reward ratio is about 1 to 23 risk reward ratio, a massive risk reward ratio right there. Okay, this is looking good already. It's looking very good already. So by the way, today is Sunday. The market will be opening very soon, just remaining with less than 5 hours. The market will be open. So if you're watching this, all the very best. Of course, remember to wait for your confirmation. This is not a signal. This is just a forecast. Remember, anything can happen at any particular time. So what you have to do is make sure that you're following your age, understand why you're taking that particular trade, and then leave the rest. Because we don't control outcome. What we do is identify our ages and execute. That's what we have control over. We don't have control over what's going to happen. This trade looks very good because it meets our criteria. So this is how it is. The focus has already been set to the private community. We're looking over about 8 setups which are ready already right now. So this is how it is. It's looking very good already. If you ask me, it's looking very nice. Stop loss of about 40 pips and our target of about 900 pips. A 1 to 23 risk reward ratio. Absolutely amazing setup right here. So am I saying that this trade is going to work out? Like I always tell you, on a trade by trade basis, no one knows what's going to happen. But I know that if I continue to find setup like this, I'm going to be profitable. I'm going to be a winner because I just need 1 or 2 good winners like this to actually happen, and I'll be very good, right? And I'll be very profitable. So I really hope you've picked out something from this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Let me know if you've learned something from this video. All right. So if you need our services in terms of signals, mentorship, our online course, the first link in the description is the link that gives you access to all that. If you want to chat with me via Telegram or WhatsApp, the links are down in the description. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.